Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 15 of daily quarantine vlog. This is me saying hello from my hiatus of not vlogging, and I know that I have just uploaded the combined 8, 9, 10, and 11 vlog. Didn't vlog 13 just because I have been in deep with Animal Crossing. That's all I dream about. All I can think about, I'm thinking about what I can do with my house, what I can do to my neighbors' houses, and everything. So if you guys recognize the struggle, just like this video so I know I'm not alone. So I'm going to do a quick run today, and yeah, let's just see what this day is gonna bring. I am probably gonna start doing weekly vlogs, or like just clump all my vlogs together, just because when I was daily vlogging it was kind of difficult for me. There goes the dogs. But it was kind of difficult for me, so I'm just gonna do it in bulk. So I hope you guys like that better than just me daily vlogging. And if you guys do like me daily vlogging, then just leave a comment down below so that way I know. Say hi to my daily vlogs.
Hi, daily vlogs.
Can you tell the people what you're eating?
I am eating. Wait, let me go all in first. I am all in with Ace Jack. Come on, Ace. Come on, Ace.
So while everyone else is addicted to Animal Crossing, my dad is addicted to that. He misses the casino, that's why.
So I'm eating ham and turkey with provolone cheese on a toasted bread.
Oh, you know what time it is. Daily dog vlog. Oh, go back and lay down. It was Kona's birthday yesterday, and we had cake, which I baked. Watch out for that video coming soon. And yeah. Oh my goodness. I'm not sure if I ever showed you guys my setup for working out. Since my dad is home early, the car is actually parked on that side, so I'm just gonna do a run today. Plus my ankle hurts because I was TikToking too hard yesterday. I was trying to learn the new Gwen Stefani Beyonce dance, you know, the that one. You guys know which one that one is. So I was trying to learn that one, and since there's a lot of bouncing in it, I actually landed too hard on my ankle. So I'm just gonna do a nice little walk today. And yeah, usually this is a treadmill I walk on, and I leave my phone right here just so I can watch my YouTube videos. So yeah, I just figured I'd just show you guys. So yeah, this is gonna be me walking. So it is. Ooh, it's actually 11:11. 11:11. So it's actually 11:11 right now, and I just feel like making banana bread, so that's what we're going to do. And I am going to be following Remi's recipe. So come and watch me.
Okay, now in another bowl, well, when I bake, I know I'm making a mess. I promise I'll clean it up. I'm going to do it in like half and half or so. Working. I'm using the wrong one. I don't know what's going on, but I use one that works. I'm going to scrape this into a medium low pan, and I have to bake for the best part of baking.
So everything is all mixed. I didn't have enough sugar. I like had maybe like this much of sugar when I was supposed to put a cup full of sugar. I think I'm gonna add some honey and see how it turns out, just to replace the sugar. This is what happens when you're quarantined. You bake at 11:30 at night. Spray some. And then she said about an hour to an hour 10 minutes, so yeah. Oh, wish us luck. Still waiting on the banana bread. It says about 35 more minutes, so we'll take a shout. Patiently waiting for the banana bread. So we're watching Black Panther. 3 more minutes. It smells really, really good though, so I'm really excited, but it is, I don't know where my phone's at, but it's like 12:40 and I'm starting to feel it. I actually woke up early today, but the only reason why I woke up early is to play that damn Animal Crossing. I am addicted, guys, so help me. Yo, so interesting how it did that, but this smells really good. So this is gonna be the test with the chopstick. Clean. So she ready. We're gonna just leave her out for like 10 to 15 minutes and then I'll just cut it up. Okay, so I already cut a piece. We're just gonna leave it right here. It smells really good. Just the inside, I don't know if you guys could see that. I mean, maybe I should just let it sit out more, but I don't know. Let's try this bad boy out. Mmm. That's good. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, take that. It smells good. A little dry. That's good. Pretty spot on.
Good. Look who's also addicted.
People forget that the first country the Nazis
And we got your daily dog vlog. Y'all ready to come in? Come on, Lo. Mom's making ice candy. Avocado, strawberry, mango?
Yeah.
And cantaloupe. Mmm. What's this?
That's the base.
Oh. So that's the base.
We made 4 of those.
Wow. Alright. And then we got the boys working out. Oh, she's making ice candy. Ooh. We have cantaloupe, mango, strawberry, and avocado. If you guys could smell these right now, this one smells the best.
It's still working on her. How did you do that? So you have to like one firmly like holding on to the top. See, don't lose that. See, keep your finger there and you twist this. See?
Yeah, twist from
See?
the bottom.
And then you turn it.
We got the final product lined up. Strawberry, avocado, mango, and cantaloupe. So I didn't record the finishing product, but it was really good. We'll see you guys in a couple hours. What day is it today? I don't even know what day it is. It's April 17th, so that means day 17 of vlogging. So, and he is making peach cobbler. The ingredients, I'm telling you, we have been in a baking mode. So, yeah. Peaches. He's about to sift this. I already know. But yeah.
Mommy.
Got it.
You got it?
Wait, Bren, when you're done, are you gonna still help me?
Okay.
That looks good. I also didn't show the final product of this, LOL, but it was really good. Hey guys, happy Saturday, I guess. It's the 18th, and when I post this will actually be vlog number, let's check. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. This will be vlog 9. However, we are day 18 of quarantine. So far, we have baked a banana bread, we have done peach cobbler, we've done ice candy, and now Anthony is making tri-tip. We're just a good eating family. And I've been learning TikToks. Okay, I kind of messed up. And my phone just died. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. Like I said, I'm gonna just name this vlog 9 or 10, even though it's day 18 of quarantine. But yeah, you're just gonna see me on this setting just because it has the better lighting. Anyways, if you guys like what you see, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.